So we are given that the efficiency of the engine is 27% or 0.27, and the heat rejected is equal to 3000 joules. First of all, in part A, we need to find the useful work. We all know that efficiency is equals to net work done divided by heat input, let's say QH. Now, as we all know that QH is equals to W plus heat rejected QC. So from here we can say that neta W plus neta QC is equals to W, that is net work done. So from here we can say that net work done is equals to neta QC divided by 1 minus neta. So now let's put all the values. We are given that neta or efficiency is 0.27. So 0.27 times 3000 divided by 1 minus